lands all messed up. No tornado warnings that I can see. Look at all the flood. The Missouri River's flooded. The Mississippi River's flooded. Look at all this big flood zones going on. Now we're flooding over in North Carolina, South Carolina, parts of Georgia. And our radar's still blooming out over there off the California coast. Now you'd think we'd be chemtrail free for, a couple days. We'll see. Just wanted to show you that smoke that come off the volcano. You actually see all the smoke drifting out. I can't get it to get much clearer. See if I could check all the layers here. Let's go back a day. Oh yeah, it was already spewing yesterday. If I would have had more time, I'd get this loaded up. Man, that's a crazy cloud that's like glass particles coming out. We go back another day. We'll see if we can see what it initially went off. So just a little bit of slight signs of it there. Yeah, you can see it underneath the cloud layer. It could be some of the ionospheric heaters set it off. The Arecibo it fell apart. Yeah, see, it was already going back on the 9th. Let me go back one more day. So this thing started spewing out on the 9th and finally blew off between yesterday and today. They're going to rebuild the Arecibo. First they said they were going to finish tearing it down. Now they're going to rebuild it. While we're over here. So this is on the 8th. Look at all the chemtrails that are being deployed over Miami, over the Bahamas. And right where all the storms are, look, they dumped all these chemicals days in advance. Let's go up to the 9th. Still deploying tons of aerosols. South Carolina. We had the bunker fuel operation. Try to get this up to date. It sounds like I'm losing my voice. Man, Ohio was getting waxed yesterday. So we had a man-made synthetic clouds all over here up in Michigan, Ohio, West Virginia. Just getting bombarded. And of course, they're spraying right out ahead. This look clear out here. No chemtrails. We just see if they got a bunker fuel operation real quick. It kind of looks like one there. Here, I didn't get a chance to load all my layers. Let me put the 3.7 microns on. We had heavy duty bunker fuel operations for several days out here. I'm really not seeing this. I'll look into this better tomorrow when I got more time. Let's go ahead and jump into the 16-day forecast. What you're looking at right here, you're looking at the next 2 weeks of precipitation. And you can see where the target zones are. Florida's a big target. Parts of Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, all the southern part of Georgia, and then way up here in the Northeast, New York. See, they've pushed the high pressure dome farther to the south. And like I said before, this is going to make more tornadoes form up to the north and farther to the east. You watch this springtime going into summer. We're going to have more tornadoes over here than we are over, where they normally are over in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas. Since they got this high pressure, the heat dome pushed to the south, that's going to make these storms fire off farther to the east and then on up into the north. It's like they're going to move the tornado alley farther to the east, and we'll see. Let's go ahead and see how we're going to get there. We got quite a few cold fronts I've seen coming down. We go ahead and back this all the way up. We're going to take this up 6 hours at a time. When I see something wicked, we'll talk about it. And the blue line right here, that represents the cold air. You can keep your eye on that. And then if these lines are tight together, that's the wind. We're going to go up 6 hours at a time. So we got a little bit of light snow going into North Dakota. Rain over Bermuda. Still got snow and ice up to the north up in Canada. Look at this cold air dipping down. Look at this clear. There should be no chemtrails going into Monday. Should be no chemtrails from half the United States to the west. Guaranteed there'll be some here around Texas. Up here over New York, you'll have aerosols being deployed on Tuesday. In fact, they usually do it 2 days before, right into the storms. So you do got a lot of wind with that. Who knows? Could pop off a little tornado, a little heavy thunderstorms there. You got a big time wind coming down.